Krav Maga or karate? Krav Maga or karate? That's right. Which one would actually win in a real street fight situation? That's what we're going to be talking about today. So somebody came up to me and they asked me, how can I improve my street fighting skills? You know what I would tell them? I would tell them to start training in Krav Maga for real world effectiveness. If they came and they asked me, how can I learn to defend myself confidently? You know what I would tell them? I would tell them practice practical techniques that work in high pressure situations. It's almost like the situation where Kali Muscle, who used to eat all those McDonald's, versus a military style workout. And you know which one is more effective. The one that's dealing with military, because just because you big don't mean you can fight. So we got to make sure that we do this right. Now, if somebody came up to me and they said, how can I feel safer walking alone at night? I would tell them to adopt awareness tactics from martial arts training. Then if they ask me, how can I boost my physical fitness? Because that's how I started first, with physical fitness and conditioning and stretching. I would tell them to engage in training that combines cardio and strength in a fun way. Okay? Now, if they ask me, how can I become more confident in a fight? I will tell them to train in realistic self-defense styles like Krav Maga, or hit them with a crowbar from Sears, but they don't got that store open no more. So I would just tell them to hit them with a 40 ounce. Hit the person with a 40 ounce. Just kidding. But if they ask me, how can I protect myself against larger opponents? I would say learn effective techniques designed for any body size. If they ask me, how can I choose the right martial arts for real life scenarios? I will tell them to contrast traditional styles with modern self-defense training. If they ask me, how can I improve my reaction time in emergencies? I will let them know how to incorporate drills that simulate surprise attacks. Very similar to a workout, it has to be sport specific or self-defense specific. If they say, how can I master self-defense? Focus. I would tell them to focus on Krav Maga, straightforward, powerful movements. How can I increase my chance of winning a fight? Utilize strategies that exploit your opponent's weaknesses. How can I gain respect and assertiveness? Train smarter and hard in martial arts to build personal strength. And if they ask me, how can I make friends in martial arts? Join a local gym and connect with like-minded individuals or martial arts enthusiasts. Last but not least, make sure you pray and live right, eat right, fight dirty, and live clean. You know what I mean? Peace and a lot of love. That's a tie. Let's go.